What's going on, everybody? My name is Rafael, and in this video you're going to be learning how to make $100 a day with an Amazon affiliate website. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so you landed on this video because you want to make money with an Amazon affiliate, their network, right? And let me tell you, Amazon is one of the largest affiliate resources where you can actually promote a lot of their products, okay? And what I'm going to be going over is what you're going to need in order for you to make that income in a single day, okay? So let's just jump right into this. Alright, so for those of you who don't know what an Amazon affiliate website is, and I'm sure there's many of you who don't know, essentially an Amazon affiliate site is a website that promotes Amazon affiliate products, okay? You can promote pretty much anything that's on Amazon. You can get an affiliate link and promote and make a commission on, okay? So if it's a baby product, if it's a TV, if it's a MacBook Pro, you can promote it, and how you do so is by reviewing the product, talking about the pros and cons, and talking about the features that the product has. You can also do a buying guide and pretty much let people know what they're going to get if they buy the product and what to look out for before they end up making the purchase, okay? Also, another thing you can do is tutorials, okay? You can do a tutorial how to set up a baby monitor, how to set up install a MacBook Pro, and in the description of a video that you do, or if it's a written tutorial, you can drop your affiliate link for you to sell the product that you are mentioning about. Alright, so this is very important. This is where how you're going to get traffic and how you're going to rank your affiliate website, okay? This is what I believe is one of the most important aspects, okay? And in order for you to get traffic to your website, you're going to have to build articles, okay? And I'm not talking about little 300 to 500 word articles. Google sees longer articles. They rank them higher in their algorithm, okay? That's because you put in more effort into this article, and you're gonna put in more keywords, which Google really likes, okay? So I would definitely recommend you stick to a minimum of 1,000 and a maximum maybe about 5,000 words. I know that it's once you get to that 1,500 mark, the article, it gets pretty complicated to write, but you just gotta stick through it and continue writing, okay? Just continue writing, ask questions about what people would say about the product, okay? And this is also what I recommend here. You create at least 30 articles, okay? 30 really good articles about reviews, guides, and how-tos, okay? Not all your articles have to be reviewing a product. You can also do like a buying guide, or you can do a tutorial or how to use the product. But you don't want to put affiliate links in every single one of your articles. It looks spammy, and people don't like that, and they can tell like that you're only doing this for the money, okay? You don't want to do that. You want to pick a niche where you're passionate about, and so you don't even have to throw in affiliate links. You just love it so much that you can just talk about it and share an experience with somebody, or show them how to do something, okay? Now, this is very important, okay? Traffic. This is basically how you're going to get visitors reading your articles and clicking on your affiliate links. Traffic is crucial, okay? And how you can get traffic to your website. I typically recommend beginners get started with free traffic. This is where you don't have to pay. And essentially, you just post something on a YouTube video, or you post on Reddit, and people end up clicking on your link and following you to your affiliate website. Okay, and how you can do this is by creating a YouTube video. This is probably one of the best ways to get traffic, doing a YouTube video. This is because it's very easy to rank for keywords on YouTube, and people really love videos. So if you can do like a top 5 video, top 5 baby products, or top 5 cameras, Nikon cameras, and rank it on YouTube, you're going to get traffic to your Amazon affiliate website. Okay, and you can get sales through that way. You can also do Reddit. Reddit's a great community. It has specific forums dedicated to each niche. So if you're selling cameras, you can go into the Reddit camera group and you can share a link to a review you did. And if it's a really good review, people might end up buying through your affiliate website. Okay. Now, you also have Quora, Instagram, Pinterest, and if you answer questions, people's questions on Quora, and you send them to your website, and they find it useful, again, they can also end up buying through your link. So you just want to be helpful, you want to answer questions, and you don't want to come off as salesy. You want to actually provide some really good information and help them. Okay. Now, there's also paid traffic. You have Facebook ads, which is more advanced. I wouldn't recommend you get started with Facebook ads. It is very complicated to get started. You have to know your targeting. You have to know how to create an ad, how to do copywriting, and it's very complicated to learn. Same thing with AdWords. You got to know how to learn the platform, then you got to learn the copywriting, and then you have to learn how to test. So I would not recommend you get started with paid traffic. For the more advanced people, definitely get started with paid traffic. It's going to help you get traffic much faster than just doing the free methods. Alright? So here we have building an email list. This is another more advanced tactic that you can use to make $100 a day. And what's great about an email list is the chance that it gives you to follow up with the people that are interested in hearing more about you. Okay, so if you have an opt-in on your homepage and you let people know if they're interested in learning more about the products that you recommend, let them know to sign up for your email list. Okay, you can pretty much pick up a group of people that are very interested in what you have to promote. Okay, and once you have that list, you can promote your new articles, or if there's a special sale on Amazon, you can actually send them an email, let them know, hey, this product is on sale. You may want to check it out. Okay, and people that are on your email list, they're much more warmer audience because they know who you are, they know what you talk about, and they're more likely to purchase because they know, like, and trust you, right? And your email list, you're definitely going to see a boost in sales because that is your warm traffic. It's people that are actually following you and actually would like to buy from you. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and like this. Okay, go ahead and like this, share with your friends if you really thought this was helpful in how to make $100 a day with an Amazon affiliate website. Okay. Also, if you want to see me do a video on how to build an Amazon affiliate website from scratch, and I can typically do this in about 15 minutes. I'll show you step by step on how to find a niche, how to create an article, and yeah, if you're interested in that, let me know. I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.